Launch a profitable play-to-earn crypto game, your 2025 guide. Imagine engaging players while earning profits. Clone scripts make this achievable. These tools replicate Axie Infinity's success blueprint, allowing you to quickly launch a scalable play-to-earn P2E game. Smart contracts and NFTs ensure secure, transparent transactions and in-game asset ownership. Customization is key. Use scripts for unique characters, environments, and marketplaces. Integrate native tokens and secure wallet support like MetaMask. This flexibility attracts players and drives engagement, essential for sustaining your P2E platform's growth. Learn how to balance profitability and player engagement. Build revenue through in-game purchases, advertisements, asset transaction fees, or content creator collaborations. Adopt fair monetization practices to keep players loyal while expanding your platform's income potential. With P2E gaming set to grow to $1 billion by 2025, now is the time to innovate. Start designing your Axie Infinity-inspired platform and tap into this booming blockchain frontier. Ready to build your own success? Begin crafting a dynamic next-gen game today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and check out our next video.